Everyone, I am giving next option now. See, this is the box. In this box, okay. So tick your first option if you want party from teacher. I mean from me. Tick your second box if you want party from students. Who will give the party? अरे यार तुम लोग यार ऐसे वेरी गुड प्रतीक सुपर वेरी गुड विशाल चलो कम से कम कोई तो आया you see man all of you come on see today is the last class for propulsion okay from tomorrow we are starting a structure this is how you guys are so happy man I have never seen my screen like this these minute ticks if okay just 1 minute अरे मान ही नहीं रहे अब रुकोगे सब लोग तभी तो क्लास चलेगी पागल हो गए हो क्या अरे सब आज सब एकदम भर के आगे देखो रुक ही नहीं रहे सब चल देखो जो भी YouTube पे देख रहा है देखो ये मैं हूं ये मेरी क्लास है और यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है चलो सुनो अब देखो सुनो बताते हैं अच्छा इसी बात पे अब रुक जाओ सब लोग इसी बात पे एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं अब देखते हैं कितने लोग टिक करते हैं ठीक है लेट्स हैव अ क्वेश्चन नाउ यू हैव अ नॉर्मल शॉकवेव लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एबल टू डिजाइन दिस देन ओनली आई विल गिव पार्टी हियर यू हैव फ्लो pressure is P2 total pressure is P02 after crossing normal shock wave here you got pressure P3 and total pressure P03 here your temperature is T2 this is T02 here you have T3 total T03 okay if everyone will correct this question then I will send party money on Google Pay okay see this is last class seriously amazing class actually there is nothing remaining only normal shockwave is remaining to teach that will not take much time within 15 minutes we can cover that normal shockwave and 2-3 numericals what will you do 2.5 hours so let me check my hard work whatever I have done with you guys in propulsion okay okay so option 1 your P2 is less than P02 your T2 is equal to T02 your T3 is sorry actually the way I am giving option I don't want to give in that way I want to give lot of options actually so no I will not give option in this way I want to give so many options so that you should be properly confused so today is my day मैक नंबर पे हम क्या क्वेश्चन बनाएंगे एवरीवन विल गिव द राइट आंसर इफ आई विल ड्रॉ द क्वेश्चन ऑन मैक नंबर ओके हाँ आई वांट टू फेल एवरीवन टुडे इज माय डे मैन यू सी माय हाउ विल आई रॉक सी सही ऑप्शन टिक करो सही ऑप्शन टिक करो टिक द राइट ऑप्शन okay and take the party the richest and the biggest hotel in your area okay go now night itself now listen first option P2 is less than P02 and T3 is less than T03 this is your first option here is your you just consider Mach number is something anything consider Mach number is value x1 and here Mach number is value x2 anything okay this is your first option now second option P03 less than P02 T03 greater than T3 T03 is equal to T02 now second option this kind of option they ask in GATE exam okay P3 is less than P2 T3 is less than T2, T03 is less than T02, P03 is less than P02. Okay, now next, your P02 is greater than P2, your T03 is greater than T02, your T03 is greater than T2. Now choose the right option. Choose the right option. Very good. Good, good. पार्टी चाहिए लड़के को? भाई आप लोग एक काम कीजिए, नीचे टिक कीजिए तो हमको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा. एवरीवन डोंट टिक देयर, ओके? टिक बिलो. Oh sorry, tick below. Below means okay, I will do one thing. I will just use some technology and I will just take everything and I will shift everything below. What, man? Can we do this in this? I think okay, try just here, try below, like try in this area. ये बार बार क्यों आ जा रहा है? Okay, try in this area, try in this area. Why again and again coming this part? Try in that area. Okay, okay, go ahead. Very good, very good Pratik, very good Piyush. Pratik, only one, choose only one, not two. Very good Vishal. Girls, good, good, good. One option, only one option. Good. Okay, okay, okay. Go ahead, go ahead. ये सब हम थोड़ी बताएंगे, ये हम नहीं बताएंगे, ये हम नहीं बताएंगे. Very good. See, it is your choice. You tick one option, you tick two options, more than two options. You tick all the options, but answer should be correct. हाँ बेटा प्रतीक, यहीं लव मैरिज कर लो तुम. सही है, वेरी गुड, मजा आ रहा है. गो हेड, वेरी गुड. सूरज कहां बैठे हो तुम? आंसर क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो? ओके, वेरी गुड. सूरज, आवाज आ रही मेरी? सबका हो गया भाई? सबका हो गया? एवरीवन डन? ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन डन? Okay. Okay. Now it is my turn. Let's explain. See, one by one, I will take every single point to understand. P2, you see this part, P2 and P02. Because there is already a flow, okay? Because there is already flow. So, of course, your total pressure is the sum of static pressure plus dynamic pressure, right? It means what? This P is less and this P naught is more. So this option is correct. I mean the first part is correct. Right? First part is correct. Dhyanesh, did you reply the answer? Dhyanesh, you did purple color I think, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. पीयूष तुम आंसर किए क्या? ओके. सूरज, सूरज के साथ मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही आज. सूरज, am I audible? So which two options you have ticked, Suraj? I have not seen actually. Can you tick again? वाह, ये देखो, वाह पूनम, वाह. क्वेश्चन क्या था? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ओके, 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 ओके. See now. So let me explain one by one. Because see, this is very last class, so I am teaching very calmly. Just chill, okay? No problem. Just chill, everyone. So, because see, always only two things are important. The very first class is very, very important, and the very second, very last class is very, very important. No one will cry. It's like, oh, sir, it is the last class, sir. We will miss you, sir. It should not be like that, okay? Fine. मिलेंगे स्ट्रक्चर में, मिलेंगे. सीरियसली P2, अरे हाँ भाई, पूरे साल मिलेंगे. पता है आज चलो वो बाद में बताएंगे कभी. ओके. ये जो P2 है ना, दिस P2 हैज टू बी लेस देन P02. आई होप एवरीवन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग बाय यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन, करेक्ट? स्टैटिक प्रेशर will be less than total pressure if there is dynamic pressure. If there is motion, then only you will be having different value of static pressure, different value of dynamic pressure, and if you will add them together, that will be a bigger value, that will be total pressure, right? So of course the total pressure has to be more than the static pressure if there is a flow. In the very first class, when I was giving idea about static pressure and total pressure, there I took one example of coffee and tea, right, in the cup. I hope everyone has taken the same example by me. So in that I explained, if the tea or coffee is in stationary mode, then what will happen? The entire static pressure will be equal to total pressure, stagnation pressure, right? Because there is no flow at macroscopic level, MACRO, at macroscopic level, no flow. Okay, so see, we started our journey from this basic idea, and now we are at the top of the concept. So P2 has to be less than P02, no doubt in this. Same thing goes with T3. How the same thing goes with T3? Okay, I will explain again. I will erase some few bits from here. Okay, very good. Now see, almost done. So if you talk about T3 and T03, again logic is very same. Your total temperature is nothing but the sum of static temperature plus dynamic temperature. What will be the formula of dynamic temperature? Let me know if you are genius. All the genius sitting out there. What is the formula of dynamic temperature? नाक कटवा दो तुम लोग, कटवा दो नाक, नाक कटवा दो, नाक कटवा दो, सभी लोग नाक कटवा दो. और चार पांच बच्चे कहाँ गायब हैं आज? कहाँ बच्चे गायब हैं आज? ओके, this formula is absolutely correct. Very good. So you can see, if there is a flow, then only C square will be there. And if there is C square, it means what? This much part, if you are adding in static pressure, then temperature, static temperature, then only you will be getting total temperature. It means what? If there is a flow, then your static temperature will be less than total temperature. Correct? So this side also you have some Mach number. It means what? After crossing normal shock wave, of course you will be having some Mach number, right? That will not be zero. Try to understand my logic. So you have flow here, so static temperature will be less than total temperature. Anyone, any doubt? Raise your hand. Anyone, any doubt? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. No doubt. So that's why second option is correct. So one thing is clear. Whoever has done this option is correct. Those students are absolutely correct. Now what about the second? हाँ विशाल, which part? Which part? All? Okay, Vishal, actually, I think you should do this in next propulsion class, because lot of basics you don't know because you have joined later. You have missed. That's why you are not able to understand this. Let me go with the old students. Okay, Vishal? Okay. That's what I am saying. You have not attended this class, na, normal shockwave. You have joined later. So that's why you are not able to understand everything here. So let me go with the old students. Your batch will start in October month. So there you will understand again from the basics. Okay, guys. So all my old students, you understand? Now let's target our second option. In the second option, what about P03? P03 is less than P02. Are you agree? Everyone is agree? Very good. But what is the cause? What is the cause? What is the cause? वाह 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 वाह, दिल खुश हो गया. Very good, amazing. So total pressure will decrease, of course. Very good. Okay, now here we have this part again. This is nothing but same part. Okay, so this part is also clear. Now what about total temperature? Of course, constant. Very good. So option B is also correct. Yeah, very good. Option B is also correct. So these two options are absolutely correct. So congratulations for those students who have ticked both the options. Now what about the third option? Some students have ticked the third option also. Let's check out the third option. Static pressure will not decrease, guys. Static pressure will increase. Very good. So this option is wrong. Static temperature will increase. What sentence I have given in the notebook? I have given static properties across normal shock wave increases, and I have explained with the right logics. What about second option? Third option, totally wrong. What about this? P03 is less than P02. Right or wrong? P03 less than P02. Right or wrong? Right. But that is right. But overall is wrong. That's why you will not choose this option. Okay. Now again, this option is correct. Yes, this option is correct. This option is correct. This option is correct. Sorry. Second option. Yeah. Sorry. Second. Yeah. Yes. Second option is wrong. So because of that, and of course the third option is correct. Okay, because that is total temperature. Okay. So guys, are you understanding this part? Let me erase this thing. Are you understanding that your T03 is greater than T2? Are you understanding, everyone? सब लोग समझ रहे हैं? Everyone is understanding this part? Old students? Pratik, you're not able to understand? Seriously? Pratik, am I audible? Pratik, you're not able to understand this part? हे भगवान, ये हम क्या सुन रहे हैं? रुको हम बताते हैं. रुको हम सूरज को बुलाते हैं. सूरज एक्सप्लेन करेगा. सूरज, am I audible? अरे यार देखो, तुम्हारा तिलक आ रहा है और तुम जो है हम लोगों को बुला नहीं रहे हो. देखो सूरज अपना तिलक चढ़वा रहा है और वो बुला नहीं रहा हम लोगों को. सही है. ये सही है. शादी कर लो सूरज, बताना मत हम लोगों को. ठीक है. ओके. तारेश, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दिस? पता चल गया तो फिर तुम बताओ. प्रतीक, पता चल गया तो किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं हम? T03 को हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं T02 से. वी आर कंपेयरिंग वी आर कंपेयरिंग T2 से. वी आर कंपेयरिंग T03 विथ T2. So how can you compare this side total temperature with this side steady temperature? How? Very good, because it is equal. T03 and T02, they are equal. Okay, very good. So actually this is nothing but T02. Thank God तुम बता देना, मेरा नाक कटी जाता अभी, पूरा प्रोपोर्शन खत्म हो गया और अभी तक तुम यहीं अटके रहते. चलो अच्छा वो बता दिए, वेरी गुड. Okay guys, so now you all have not given the right option. Some people got stuck here, that's why party cancel. No more party. Okay, now we'll go for air fuel ratio. Are you guys ready to understand air fuel ratio? Party cancel. यही देखो, ये देखो, all YouTube viewers all YouTube viewers सुन लो.
आपको देना ही नहीं था.
नहीं देना था.
जिसने राइट दिया उसको तो दे सकते हैं ना.
देखो,
जिन्होंने राइट दिया उनको तो दो.
अरे ऑल यूट्यूब व्यूअर्स देख लो कैसे मेरे स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, ये मैं हूँ और ये मेरा क्लास है और यहाँ पे पार्टी मांगी जा रही है और प्रपल्शन किसी को आ नहीं रहा है. नो वन इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग प्रपल्शन. ओके चलो ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं. let's start with this part. Yesterday we were bothering about equivalence ratio, right? So take the heading as equivalence ratio. Oh, I think I already have taken this, right? क्या हुआ तारेश? पार्टी यूट्यूब पे आएगी भाई, जबरदस्त आएगी यूट्यूब पे.